मेरा भारत मेरी कलम से सीजन 7 के विनर्स हैं गौरव, खमानवी, मिथिलेश। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट कलेक्ट करने के लिए विजिट करें DB रेडियो स्टूडियो, SU 181 182 टॉप फ्लोर, सेक्टर 8C, चंडीगढ़।
A very happy Republic Day to all the listeners. I am Gaurav from class 10th of the Sky World School, and today I would like to speak on how I want my country to be in future. Actually, I don't want to change anything in my country because to me it is the world's most amazing, the most beautiful and the greatest country. But why? Just because we are having the world's second largest population of 1.3 billion, or poverty is a significant issue and lack of education? Actually, no. India might not look astonishing to others, but its phenomenal beauty lies in its citizen. Though we still face water shortage in our country, but we were the first to discover water on moon by Chandrayaan 1. A country where game is not a game, it is a feeling, it is an emotion and anxiety even. The country that is also known as a land of festival, where each day is celebrated. Each festival personifies the unity in diversity, our culture, our languages, and even the world's richest country in the 17th century. But today, still, we are counted in the backward countries of the world, where we lag behind, and still we face many kind of social, political and economic issues in our country still. And to save the self-respect of our Bharat Mata, we have to take some initiatives to save its greatness and its lost glory. And then we can proudly say that we are the citizens of Hindustan and we love our country and make it best in the world. And I would just quote that, written by Martin Luther King Jr., that to other countries I go as a tourist, but to India I come as a pilgrim. Thank you and have a nice day. And once again a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
This is Khamanvi going to recite a poem on the Dream India. The dreams of new India that my eyes hold are a great treasure, can't be bought by gold. The blood of my India is old, yet bold. It sees every challenge as an opportunity. My dream India will be full of vitality and integrity. The seed of success that it's sowing now will reap out the best crop anyhow. From hard-working teachers to talented students, my dream India is ready to top the education sector and extract all the best nectar. With the best infrastructure, she will reach such a juncture from where she can take the longest flight to eradicate all the woes, worries and poor plight. With all the differences being quiet, she will be in the spotlight, will lead the world as a mentor. With humanity at her heart's center, with new ideas and techie, she will serve and score and explore all the hidden mysteries that was never done before. She will have a society where women will feel secure. With the best doctors and scientists, no disease will be left uncured. National income will rise high with the best entrepreneur. With the independent mind, without fear, one thing is surely clear. Every face will find a reason for a smile to wear. This will be my new India with happy and prosperous fellow men, my dear.
मेरा भारत मेरी कलम से. Hello everybody, this is Mithilesh Katyal from St. Stephen's School and I study in class 7. मेरा सपनों का भारत कैसा हो? मेरा भारत विश्व में सबसे अग्रणी हो. मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे भारत में सभी धर्मों के लोग मिलजुल कर रहें. सांप्रदायिक एकता का भाव हो. कम्युनल हार्मनी होनी चाहिए. भारतीय संस्कृति डगमगानी नहीं चाहिए. भ्रष्टाचार बेरोजगारी का नामो निशान नहीं होना चाहिए. मेरे सपनों का भारत ऐसा होना चाहिए जहाँ लोगों की भलाई सरकार का एकमात्र एजेंडा हो. बी इंडियन, buy Indian. We should promote Indian brands by buying them and keeping the money in our own country. मैं एक और इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट पर बात करना चाहूँगा। एक समय था भारत को सोने की चिड़िया बुलाया जाता था। We should bring back the glory of our country by stopping the brain drain. आज का तकरीबन युवा भारत छोड़ के दूसरे देशों में सेटल हो रहा है। There is a dire need that our country should have enough opportunities कि वह अपने देश में रहकर देश को प्रोग्रेसिव बनाए। The literacy rate should be 100% क्योंकि आज का बच्चा कल का युवा है और भारत का फ्यूचर यही बच्चे हैं क्योंकि पीढ़ियां बदलती हैं। युवा जब देश की बागडोर संभालते हैं और अगर वह शिक्षित होंगे तो जरूर हमारा देश तरक्की करेगा। शिक्षित और प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्तियों से भरे इस राष्ट्र का विकास को कोई नहीं रोक सकता। भारत में पिछले कुछ डिकेड्स में बहुत इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्निकल डेवलपमेंट्स हुई हैं। Still the rate of progress is less than the other developed nations. So I wish कि मेरे भारत में हर क्षेत्र में तेजी से प्रगति हो। Another dream is नशों का कारोबार आज की जनरेशन को बर्बाद कर रहा है। उस पर पूरी तरह से रोकथाम लगानी चाहिए। Medical facilities have become too expensive. It should be regulated in such a way that it is in the reach of every section of society. I've got more dreams about my Bharat. ऐसा देश होना चाहिए जहाँ कोई लिंग का कोई भेदभाव ना हो, जहाँ औरतें अपने आप को और सुरक्षित और सेफ मान सके। Our judiciary and legal system needs to be improved a lot. If only every person stops littering, splitting or urinating in public, India would be much cleaner. So it would be better to change our habits. A one good habit can bring a change. So to achieve the dream of अपने सपनों का भारत, I pledge to work for it. As a citizen of India, where there is no discrimination और जहाँ देश के नागरिक अच्छे जीवन की गुणवत्ता का आनंद ले सकें।
मेरा भारत सबसे महान। जय हिंद।